Mencuri and Rio. We lose also Tony in the game, central midfield player. Now, 2 days or no, yesterday, 2 days ago, Michael Kremenchik and Filzer, they had problems. Also our goalkeeper coach is not with us. We have some cases in the team. I don't know what's happened at the moment. It's a virus in Jakarta, and but the rest is okay. So we have to fight also for the guys. They are not with us, and hopefully we can send some greetings also to the guys, because Micha is in the hospital, and also our goalkeeper coach. We can send them also some greetings from here to the hospital.
Oke. Jadi Coach bilang memang kita kehilangan pemain seperti Mika Kemenchik, Firza Mika, dan juga kiper kita juga dan Lima. Coach kurang paham apa yang terjadi dengan mereka yang di Jakarta, sepertinya virus. Tapi sisanya pemain yang di box ini oke. Jadi kita harus berjuang